Hello, Zekers. Welcome back. Today, I am diving into something super exciting, the best high-ticket products you can start selling right now in your store. Trust me, if you're serious about growing your business, you'll want to stick around for this one. So, what exactly is a high-ticket product? Simply put, it's any product you can sell at a higher price point. Of course, the definition varies depending on who you ask, but for me, anything over $80 qualifies as high ticket. Now, here's the beauty of selling high ticket items. Higher prices mean higher profit margins. That's the name of the game, right? You also might be wondering, what happens if a customer wants to return a high-ticket product? Well, let me tell you, it's not as scary as it sounds. When you work with a reliable dropshipper-friendly supplier like AliExpress, they often provide free prepaid return labels. That means if your customer decides to return something, they can send it back hassle-free. Once the item reaches the supplier, you'll get your refund and you can pass that back to your customer. So in terms of returns, selling high-ticket products isn't any more complicated than selling regular items. So knowing this, what's stopping you? This is your chance to tap into a world of higher profit margins and bigger opportunities. Oh, and make sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal one specific product that sold over $250 in a dropshipping store. And get this, you can source it for under $37 on AliExpress. Ready? Let's get started. Now, before I jump into the first product of today's list, here's a quick tip. If you're looking to discover even more high-ticket products after watching this video, Zik Analytics has got you covered. Just head over to the Product Explorer tool. Here's how. Under Product Type, select Dropshipping and One-Store Product. Then go ahead and set the minimum price to $80 and then click search. With these simple filters, you'll unlock a whole range of high ticket items. All that's left is to analyze the results and pick the product that best suits your dropshipping store. It's super easy, right? All right, let's kick things off with the first high ticket product on today's list. And trust me, this one is super cool and versatile. Perfect for almost anyone on any occasion. This is the LED retro display screen. With this stylish gadget, you can keep track of your favorite sports teams, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and much more, and control this LED screen using a simple app on your phone. It's functional, trendy, and totally unique. Seriously, who wouldn't want a product this useful? Now, when I plugged this store's URL into the Zik store sales tracker, I wasn't surprised to see the impressive numbers it pulled in over the past 30 days. As you can see, 448 sales. That's incredible, especially since each unit sells for $159.99. But here's the best part. When I used the Zik product finder, I found several great matches to source this exact product. So let's take a closer look at one of them here on AliExpress. Now, this product is priced at $115.26, including free shipping. Now, let's break down the potential profits. The dropshipping store sells it for $159.99, including shipping. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which comes out to $4.93. The cost from AliExpress is $115.26. That means the profit per sale is $39.80. With 448 sales in just 30 days, this store made approximately $17,830 in profit, and that's before ad and operational expenses. What's even more exciting is that this entire strategy is achievable and beginner-friendly. This store built a thriving business with a product sourced directly from AliExpress, and there's no reason you can't do the same. The next product is perfect for anyone who loves to travel and still wants to look their best. Let me introduce you to the portable clothes dryer. So this product, not only does it have a sleek, modern design, but it also works in a really unique way. So you simply hang your shirt inside the device, just like you would on a regular hanger, and it dries the shirt from the inside out. This method ensures your clothes dry quickly and evenly, making it ideal for travelers or anyone short on time. So this store is currently selling this product for 75 British pounds, which is around 95 USD. And according to the Zik store sales tracker, it's been sold 169 times in the last 30 days. That's a solid performance for a high ticket product. When I searched for this product using the Zik product finder, I found the same exact product on AliExpress. It's priced at $33.98 plus $30.65 for shipping. Using the same calculation I demonstrated earlier, this means that for each sale, this Shopify dropshipping store is earning around $27 in profit. So with 169 sales in the past 30 days, that's approximately $4,563 in profit before ads and operational expenses. And here's the exciting part. This product has viral potential. Imagine how easy it would be to market it on social media. A quick video showing the product in action, how portable and convenient it is, could attract tons of targeted traffic to your store. This is a great example of a product that's potential, marketable, and profitable. All right, my fellow Zekers. So what do you think about the first two high ticket products on the list so far? Are you going to try them in your store? Let me know by commenting down below. Also, if you found this video useful so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this one. And if you're thinking of starting or upgrading your Shopify business with solid data and find more products like the ones I'm showing you in this video, you can start today and subscribe to Zik for only $1 for the first week. It's that easy. And the next product is one I'm sure you've seen pop up on your social media feed. It's been going viral everywhere. Let me introduce the musical boxing machine. So as you can see, this awesome gadget lets users practice boxing with punch targets that light up in rhythm to music. It's not only a fun workout tool, but also perfect for creating viral content, especially on TikTok. Truly one of the best high-ticket products for getting free targeted traffic. And here is an example from a dropshipping store. Now, this store has the product priced at $160.90. Using the Zik store sales tracker, I discovered that it sold 199 times in the past 30 days. But here's the exciting part. When I searched for this product on AliExpress using the Zik product finder, I found the same product for just $52.91 with free shipping. So let's go ahead and do the math. With a sales price of $160.90 and a cost of $52.91, this store is earning around $100 in profit per sale before ads and operational expenses. With 199 sales in the last 30 days, that's $21,310 in profit. This is an incredible find. And what's even more exciting is how achievable this success is by leveraging a product sourced directly from AliExpress. A fun, engaging product like this is perfect for creating social media buzz, drawing in targeted traffic, and turning views into sales. Now, the next product is a game changer for pet owners. Introducing the FurBot Grooming Kit, a must-have for every dog and cat owner. This high-tech grooming kit allows you to cut and trim your pet's fur while vacuuming the hair at the same time. The result? A clean, shiny space with no fur mess to deal with. It's incredibly practical and, of course, a high-ticket item. Now, this dropshipping store is selling the FurBot for $199.99, which is honestly a reasonable price for such a handy, high-tech product. Now, using the Zik store sales tracker, I found that this product has been sold 170 times in the last 30 days. Pretty impressive, right? Here's the exciting part. We can source the same exact product for a fraction of the price. So when I searched for it using the Zik product finder, I found the same exact grooming kit with the same number of attachments on AliExpress. And check out the price, $72.18 with free shipping. That's less than half the retail price. Now, using the same profit calculation I demonstrated earlier, this dropshipping store is earning about $118 per sale before ads and operational costs. With 170 sales in the past month, that's incredible. That's $21,727 in profit. This is yet another example of how high ticket products not only bring in higher sales prices, but also deliver incredible profit margins. Products like these are practical, in demand, and perfect for a dropshipping business. The next product is easily one of the best dropshipping products I've come across lately. Why? Because it's a year-round seller with steady demand, making it a must-have for your store right now. So let me introduce you to the 4-in-1 car jump starter with air compressor and USB power bank. This incredible device does it all. It's a car battery booster for emergencies, a portable air pump for tires, and a USB power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. It's truly a well thought out product that every driver could benefit from in case of an emergency. And as you can see, this store is currently selling this product for $99.99, and according to the Zik store sales tracker, it has been sold 100 times in the past 30 days. So when I searched for this product on AliExpress, I found the same model for just $19.08 with free shipping. Let's talk about profit. With a sales price of $99.99 and a cost of $19.08, this store is earning around $77 in profit per item before ads and operational costs. With 100 sales in the past month, that's a solid $7,771 in profit. This is truly one of the best dropshipping products of 2024, and I believe it will remain popular well into 2025. It's practical. It has consistent demand. Make it a winning choice for your store. Okay, Zekers, before I reveal the final high ticket product on today's list, let me remind you, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to level up your e-commerce game. And if you're ready to start your dropshipping Shopify journey, now is the perfect time. Click the link below to get started. Right now, Shopify is offering an amazing trial. 3 days for free, followed by 3 months for just $1 per month. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to launch your store today. And I'm being serious. Okay, Zekers, do you remember when I told you at the beginning of this video that I'd reveal one of the best dropshipping products you've seen lately? The one that sells for $250, but it can be sourced for less than $37? Well, it's time. Meet the Glow LED Flower. This product is a total wow factor and has viral TikTok written all over it. When I came across this during my product research, I couldn't stop thinking about how genius it is. Now, this stunning LED flower can upgrade any indoor or outdoor space, but the real magic happens at night when its glow truly shines. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? And check out the price, $249. Yes, you read that right. It's the perfect example of a high ticket product that's expensive to sell, but cheap to source. Now, are you ready for the numbers? Let's see how many times this store has sold this product. According to the Zik store sales tracker, this product sold 103 times in the past 30 days. Now, that might not sound like a huge number, but when you consider the impressive profit margin, it makes perfect sense. Now, for the sourcing secret, here's the exact same product on AliExpress. And the cost? Just $36.28. That's a fraction of the $249 price tag on the dropshipping store. Clearly, this store is focusing on high profit margins rather than maximizing sales volume, and it's working brilliantly. So now let's crunch the numbers. The store sells it for $249. Shopify fees are 2.9%, 30 cents per transaction, which totals $7.52 per sale. The cost from AliExpress is $36.28. That means the profit per sale is a whopping $205.20. Mind blown. With 103 sales in just 30 days, this store made an estimated $21,135 in profit before ad and operational expenses. This is truly one of the best high-ticket products I've seen recently. What's even better? Marketing a product like this is both achievable and relatively easy. Plus, it's not oversaturated yet, making now the perfect time to start selling it and sourcing high profits from your store. Okay, Zekers, that's the end of today's video. I hope I've convinced you that dropshipping high-ticket products is not only profitable, but also totally achievable with the right approach and product research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tips and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.